Okay guys, so today I'm gonna recap my last trade. It's a silver bullet A plus unicorn model setup that I that I learned. So the first thing, this is where I take. No. This what the fuck lah. Okay. So the first thing why I trade this silver bullet, because when it's in the 9:45 p.m. It's a silver bullet session, so it's a 9:45. Okay, so the first thing is I use the bias. Not I use the bias. I find the bias. What bias I want to trade for? So if I want to find the bias way, I just check in this indicator, or seems like this, but the first thing I check is the daily, the 4 hour and 15 minute, and I enter in 1 or 5 minutes. I will tell you guys how I find my bias. So the first thing is find your bias. Where is the text? One, find your bias. Second, is there is there a liquidity sweep? And then find uh, 2 or 3 PDA that was that follow your bias. Okay, the first one is find your bias. I've already got my bias. My bias is bearish, and then we can check in here. It's a liquidity sweep, and in here again, liquidity sweep in here to here. Yeah. Sorry guys. The wait. And the fourth one is um measure, not measure. Find your BSL and SSL. So I find this is my range. It's not a BSL or SSL, but this is my range now. This is my range. This high and this low, and seems like other silver bullet. I found my buy. I found the bearish fair value gap. This is the best. It's not a fair value. It's I forget breaker block. And it's not a breaker block, but this is a fair value gap. I forgot what its name, and I sell to. I'm not sell to this because of my bias, and it is a macro time. I sell to this because this is the low of the last day. So I got 1.1 by 7 RR. I will screenshot my funded account, and that's all. But I will tell you guys how to find my how not how to find. This is how I find my bias. So you can check another Euro USD in other market. Wanda. No, not Wanda. Forex.com. Yeah. First thing I check the daily, and I use the fair value gap, the imbalance. You can see the daily is, where's the text? This is we right now, at this time. Now it's not a it's not, it doesn't have a fair value gap in here, and here, and here, and here. And if we check the week, it's not respected by fair value gap. So we can say that it one daily is neutral, and for the 4 hour, you must, what the fuck, where's my, it must be anchor. Okay, for the 4 hour, we must find our daily bias. We must find a fair value gap to determine our daily bias. So you must check the recent fair value gap that respected or at the same prices right now, like this. You guys know that this is it's not a breaker. I don't know. It's I forget what the name, but this is a CB and BC, but I forget what is the name of these two fair value gap that joins it. It is the strong PDA I've ever known. So we know that this is a sell fair value gap. Sell fair value gap, yeah, in here. Sell fair value gap. We can mark this is the low. I don't know, is it a BOS or a CISD, because look at this range. It's a sideways. You find a fair value gap, and this is the high. This is the high. This is the low. Oh yeah, I forget. This is the low. I forget to mark the. So it's already swapped. This is not already swapped. Weekly, for our liquidity we must mark until weekly. So in 1 hour, back to 4 hour, it is a sell. 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, we check for the 1 hour, same for me, and 15 minutes. Yeah, it is, the prices now is going to fair value gap. We have order block in here. I want to sell it now, but I am a confirmation trader in the lower time frame. Seems like sell. So if I want to trade right now, oh, I think FOMC at 2. Wait, so if I want to trade right now, I will wait until the price action goes to this candle this week. Yeah, goes to this week, and it must be close to body. So I think I will set my sell in here and my SL in here. Okay, that is how I determine my daily bias and determine my liquidity. For liquidity, I have many liquidity I've been using. This low session, this low session, this high session, this low session again. See, it's been used. Look at this line. It holds the prices. See, 1 2 3 4, and again 1 2 3. Look at this close, this low of the day and low of the season, a session. It holds the prices, and the price is go to bearish, but I don't want to trade right now. I wait for the confirmation. Yeah, we can find this fair value gap, this order block. I think this it is, but it is not a liquidity swap. I will find this liquidity swap in here. So yeah, I will wait. I don't want to right now. I don't want to sell right now. I wait for this line. Okay, thank you guys.